How to increase withdrawal limit on TikTok. So if you want to increase the withdrawal limit on TikTok, so the TikTok depends on the specific monetization feature you are using. So the TikTok provides several ways to earn money, such as through the creator fund, live gifts, or brand partnership. Each of these may have different rule and limitation for withdrawal. So here's a general guide on how to potentially increase your withdrawal limit. So first of all, you have to understand the TikTok withdrawal policy. Just go and tap on your TikTok, and here you have to go for your, so you have to understand the creator fund. So the TikTok pays creator based on their view and engagement. So here you can see that if your post has more like and comment or viewer, then you can get the point here. Also, you can go for your live here. Just take an example. I'm into this live here. So just go here. Once you are on your live, here you can see the gift option, and you can send them a gift to the creator or followers. So if you want to withdraw and increase the limit on your withdrawal, so here you can see the different coin and gifts here to increase your withdrawal. So if you receive gift during your live stream, the withdrawal limit may differ from those creator fund. Also for the earning brand deal, withdrawal is often promoted as the brand partnership and sponsored. Also, you can complete your profile verification. Just tap on your profile and go for your tree line and go for your setting and privacy. And you have to go for your account here, and you have to switch your account to the business account. So just go and switch your account to the business account, not for the personal account here. And to improve your TikTok engagement and increase the engagement, you have to focus on creating high quality content here. So in a summary, to increase your withdrawal limit on your TikTok, you have to verify your account first of all, and you have to improve your engagement, and also you can contact TikTok support if necessary. So once you are here, just scroll down and go for the report your problem. Once you are on a report your problem here, so the page has been loading. Wait until the page has been loading here. So you can contact to the TikTok support by explaining your reason. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily increase the withdrawal limit on your TikTok. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.